didn't have beef.
Steak.
Yeah, steak. Pork lang yung meron kami. So, after yung mix, talagay namin.
Bagat ng noodles.
Ano? I think na-overcook yung noodles. It's so, mushy. But that's how I like my noodles. So, ito yung mga binili namin. Ito yung Jjapaguri, and then ito yung Jjapaguri. This one. So, dalawang Jjapaguri. I got this malapit sa Lasal, sa may Archers, yung Korean store doon. And this was 60 pesos each. Tapos yung Jjapaguri, I had to buy it online. Well, my sister bought it online sa Shopee. Kasi yung Jjapaguri dun sa Korean store, 90 pesos. Pero sa Shopee with free shipping, magkano? 55 pesos? 60 pesos? 55 pesos lang. So, bumili na ako sa Shopee. Bumili na lang ako ng Jjapaguri sa Shopee since free shipping. So, mas nakamura. Nalagay natin yung pork. Thank you. Okay, so yan. Si Anton yung nagluto ng pork.
Pork chop.
Pork chop. Hard. Okay.
Yeah, crispy. Pork's good. Spicy.
Kinda. So when we made this, yung ano yung may spicy dito? Ito, Jjapaguri. Jjapaguri yung may spicy. So isang pack lang yung binuksan namin. Yung isa hindi na kasi spicy siya. And hindi ako mahilig sa spicy.
Walang lasa. Walang lasa.
I don't know why people say it's so good. Diba?
Walang lasa.
I think it's because of the steak.
Bro.
Bakit? I think it's only good if may meat. Kapag walang meat, hindi siya masarap. I wish we had more pork. I don't know what this is. Nilagay ko lang siya when I was boiling it. Pero hindi to kinain ng Lia kasi kumain sila kanina ng Jjapaguri. Do you know that? Yeah, masarap yung pork. Siya nagluto. Do you know the story behind this? You haven't watched Parasite, pe. Wait, I'm gonna tell you the story of Jjapaguri. Kasi nga, it's 2 noodles, diba? And supposedly steak. So, parang cheap noodle siya. And then, yung steak mahal. Because in Parasite, there's 3 families. 2 poors. 2 poor families and then 1 rich family. So, that's why, parang because of this.
Sino gumawa?
It was in the movie.
Sino nga gumawa?
I forgot na. I think the maid. Basta kinakain nung one of the poor families to. Sa movie. You should watch it.
Steak?
Yeah. Kasi, you should watch the movie and kung bakit nakakain nila to. Oh my god. Kaya ko siya ako. So, may question ba kayo? What are we gonna play? Most likely to or Never Have I Ever?
Never Have I Ever.
Okay, so mag-Never Have I Ever kami because sa TikTok, yung hands, diba? Yung put your fingers down if ganun. We don't have a thumbnail. Hold this now.
Yung chat ka.
Oh, what? Yeah.
Oh.
Or
1, 2, 3.
Are you sure that's okay?
Yeah.
We almost tried this without meat. And hindi ko walang meat. Do you agree? I'm so sweaty.
And then,
So ano?
Sorry, technical difficulties.
Sabi niyo go na. Susubo mo na. Wait lang.
No, we have.
Baga na eh. Go.
Put a finger down if you've kissed over 5 people.
Tagal mo mag-isip.
ah.
Are you sure? Over 5 people nga. Bagal magbilang.
Oh, okay. No.
No, 4 lang.
Finger down if you've been pulled over while driving. Finger down if you've ever stolen your friend's man. Put
Ooh.
No, I haven't. Ikaw,
Does it
girl.
apply to you?
finger down if you've ever farted in class.
Oh.
Are you putting a finger down?
I did.
Oh my god.
Put a finger down if you've ever shoplifted.
No.
Put a finger down if you've ever been in a physical fight.
No. Ikaw.
No.
Put a finger down if you've ever been arrested.
No.
No.
Put a finger down if you've ever caused a car crash.
No.
Put a finger down if you ever got caught vaping in the bathroom.
Ano? Vaping. Vaping, no?
No.
Put a finger down if you've ever been fired from your job.
Combined question.
Oh.
Put a finger down if you've ever done drugs. Put a finger down if you've ever gotten a detention.
We don't have
Put a finger down
detention.
if you have a tattoo.
Joke lang.
Put a finger down if you've ever been cheated on.
No. You!
Oh, yeah.
But that's not me.
Put a finger down if you've ever failed a class. Put a finger down if you have over 5 piercings.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Never have I ever. TikTok edition.
That doesn't apply to us. Well, how many sa'yo? 7 sa akin. Wait lang, so minus 3.
Bakit? 7 din.
7. Okay, we're even. Antoine's gonna leave in a while. It's not. So I'm gonna end up eating this alone. Well, after one.
Ayun sila mo.
Kumain sila kanina. Have you tried the fire noodles?
No.
Did you finish that?
No.
I'm gonna.
Hello? Alas na.
Akin yung isang part. Isa na lang. Dahil pa no? Should have bought 1 pack each na lang pala. I thought it would be good. But it's okay. I mean, if you're gonna make Jjapaguri the right way, I think it's good kasi meron silang steak. Or if it's just the noodles mismo, it's not good at all. Yeah.
Gotta go.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye. Okay, so before I end the video, I'm gonna do shoutouts first. Since sabi ko, if ever I do shoutouts, I wanna do it during my mukbang videos. Pero hindi ako nakapag-mukbang ngayon lang. And hopefully next mukbang is gonna be an SNR mukbang or McDo versus Jollibee mukbang. Kasi pinaplano ko na yun with Anton. And we also have a channel together. Well, that's gonna be his channel technically. Kasi siya yung nag-edit and all that. I'm gonna link our vlog channel below or yung recent video namin. Isang video pa lang yun, which is a McDo mukbang. So, hopefully, subscribe. And now I'm gonna do shoutouts from my latest videos. Excited na yung sisters ko na mag-move out ako. Because I'm gonna go to med school. It means I'm gonna be living near my med school. So, no. If ever I do move out, I'm gonna do moving vlogs. Because med school starts on August. So, hindi ko masaselebrate birthday ko kasi busy ako with med school. It is my first letter makeup challenge. Yung na-inspire ako gawin because of Nikki Tutorials because she did this makeup challenge. So, first, Beatrice Demiles. She keeps on commenting on my videos and ngayon ko lang siya na shoutout. So, thank you so much. And she's actually a sister of my friend. So, thank you so much for watching. Next is Cheska Villaverde. She always comments and nabigyan ko na siyang shoutout before. And also Denise, one of my YouTube friends here. I miss you too and thank you so much kasi I think she's saying congrats because pumasa ako ng med school. And then Anton because he always watches my vlogs. I think. Sinasabi ko kay Anton, kapag pinapanood niyo yung videos ko, mag-comment siya para alam ko na panood niyo yung video na yun. Kasi wala lang. I really want people to comment on my videos so that I know if they watch or not. I think that's it for this video. Hindi ko na ito maubos. I'm gonna give this to my siblings na lang. Maybe they want pa or my parents if they do. Because medyo marami pa siya and I can't finish it alone. And actually, busog na ako. So, ayun. So, I guess that's it for this video. Please give this a thumbs up if you like it. Comment below any other food you want me to do a mukbang with. And subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching!